Hey, Grego's here. Part three of makeover on Bentley. Yes, Bentley. Woo! It's all been happening. Bentley's been on a bit of a weight reduction, forced weight reduction. So part two, I think I showed you the other side was done. So patch put in there, nice and solid again. Awesome. So that's what it looks like in the back of those supports. So the panel that we've ordered, we're just going to see if some of them have the supports in the back and some don't. So we're just going to leave them in place, although they've been cut out. So we'll probably make some new ones if it doesn't come with them. So what else has he been working on? All that's sorted. This is the old, like they stamp these panels for left and right hand drive, and basically the wiper arms are different. And anyway, this one's right hand drive, so it uses these holes here. And so these ones, they put a little plastic bung in them. Well, there was holes there, but I reckon it looks way neater if, yeah, just cut that section out, because it's got a raise like the standard one has a raise. And yeah, make it nice and smooth. So this piece here, that was a few cuts in there. So, you know, like you can just go bloody bonkers and like replace the whole bit here. Oh, there's a little bit of rust in it. Oh, well, you know, there is absolutely nothing wrong with this. It's going to be sandblasted, and if the sandblaster reveals any more holes, they'll either be welded up or it'll be cut out. But basically that's all solid now. Who is this? Hang on a minute. Yes, Japanese wallpaper, in case you're wondering, with featuring someone. There's a lot of featuring going on these days. So yeah, all this has been cleaned up. There was the ply sheets on there. It was in fact a double layer of ply. So yeah, that's all been sorted. The floor is okay. Once that's blasted, that'll come up nice and clean. And you know, like Andrews just couldn't deal with it. That's the panel of shame, really. So yeah, I think we might start a tree of shame, which is like bad repairs, and we'll just like weld them all on there to make a nice tree. So yeah, that's an update. So we're going to do some mods on it. The water inlet's going to be put under there. Yeah, so it's going to go through the bottom of the gas cylinder, because it's not going to be permanently hooked up. The gas, it's basically storage in there. Yeah, and we've got to wait till we see the layout of the new kitchen, etc., the cupboards, as to where everything's got to go. So the best motto is fill all the holes, like weld in new plates everywhere, and then when the new setups comes in, then you just put a hole in exactly where you need it. Yeah, so that's the update for today. Oh, and down here too, there was some rust in there, and like if you saw that and were stupid enough to put a whole new dog leg in, then you've got more money than sense. But that's all it needed, and when that's cut out, all the rust treater is sprayed in there. That's this stuff, rust converter, because not just converts it but primes it as well. And we blow that in with the actual air blaster, and it gets into all the crevices, so that's not going to rust in the future. So good to go. So yeah, he's done well today, and I'll give you a sneak peek in here. Big boy, only just fits in here. I've got bugger all room, but yeah, I had to do some repairs along there. Look at it, just bloody. Whew. We were worried about the height actually, because this has got an aircon and solar panels and a big light on top, and it just snuck under. So just repaired a bit of damage on the front of the bonnet, painting that, and a bit along the lower door there. That's coming up really well. So that's what's going on. So yeah, it's just enough shuffle room really to get past it, but yeah, all happening here. So Grego's signing out, and we'll talk to you later. Bye.